The people, Snowstorm of Canada. See it there? See it there? Mash up. Whole place mash up. So all who want to leave them nice country and them warm country and come to foreign, come. This is what you have to get up in and go to work. Yeah? See it there? Snowstorm of Canada. See it there? See it there? See it there? Everything white out. All the car them are stuck. And late in the night now, around after 11. See it there? Mash up. Look on the road. Can't even see the road. Look there. Mash up. Yeah? Don't run if a nice country come live in a freezer. Yeah? Mash up, Canada. Mash up. See it there? Look there. Oh my God. Be a snow, people. See there? No nice. Mash up. Yes, guys, see there? The next morning we're digging out the cars them. Hi. Well, this is it. This is all you gotta do. All the snow is getting cleaned up. Super pushing out the snow. Look at that, guys. This is Toronto. This is the cars them covered in the snow. Some people have cleaned. Look all the way down. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Look all the way down there. It's pure snow. Pure snow. Snow again. Snow. So we are at park. So all digged out. Over there. Where snow? Look at this guy car. Woo. It's gonna be stuck. Look there, the snow pile on the field. Bare snow, people. Look at that snow pile up by the window. This is a lot of snow. And snow still falling. But not lightly, not a lot. So even tonight we're gonna have more snow to clean tonight. More snow is coming, see? Snow pile up. More snow is coming tonight, right? Tomorrow, more snow tomorrow. Even the road, look, car can hardly go. Alright. Look at the road, guys. Look at the road. That's the road. Crazy. Yeah, this is what Canada is all about. Alright? So look at that. Look at that car. Car is stuck. I have on my gloves so it's hard for me to zoom in. It's stuck. Yeah, people. So yeah, people everywhere in the world have their ups and downs, and they're struggling. So appreciate life, because if you're in the Caribbean you say it's too hot, you're in Canada you say it's too cold. People it's hard to please people nowadays. I'll tell you something, a lot of people have to get up this morning and go to work. Everybody have to get up this morning and go to work. People gonna go to work tonight, tomorrow, and this snow is gonna continue on for 3 days. You understand? So sometimes you have to be like very mindful and know how to drive. That's one thing, you have to know how to drive in this weather. A lot of accidents, even on the news there's a lot of accident right now. So yeah, people, be safe out there, drive safe. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. All right.